Good morning. This is the Great Basin prescribed fire and weather briefing for Monday, May 13th. On the overall map, we see again a continuation of a lot of prescribed burn projects with the purple circles. The bigger the circle, the bigger the acreage of the project. Also, a few natural fires popping up in the red circles. These are roughly small, probably an acre or less, along with some recent small natural fires in the yellow. So, what we expect as we go into late spring, over the past 7 days, quite dry across western and southern areas, but some uh, decent precipitation, half inch to an inch and a half from the green to yellow shades across much of the higher terrain of central and northern Utah into parts of Idaho and western Wyoming. Snowpack, and of course, this is basically above 7,000 feet, still quite a bit above normal, somewhere between 40 and 80% above normal across parts of Utah, Nevada, closer to normal as you head further north. Quite dry up in the far northern reaches of the Pacific Northwest and the northern Rockies. Our 100-hour fuels, most areas in central and southern areas are in this light blue, which is about 10 to 15, not critical at all. On the upper level map, we see a ridge of actually this is a low pressure center off the California coast, providing some clouds, maybe some spotty afternoon showers. We see the blips of green, a little bit of a cold front pushing through here, near seasonable to slightly cooler than normal temperatures for much of the area. Excellent overall dispersion given the areas in the white. You can see the transport winds, some pretty good ones of maybe 15 to 25 miles an hour up in the north, lighter winds further south and west. Excellent overall vertical mixing. This low pressure area sags further south on Tuesday, producing some instability and spotty afternoon showers here in southern areas of the geographic region, but a drier northwest flow further north and a strong ridge of high pressure starting to build across the far eastern Pacific. Excellent overall dispersion. Again, some decent northwest winds here in the green into orange shades. Excellent overall vertical mixing. On Wednesday, this high pressure ridge starts to build in a little bit more. We see some spotty showers starting to exit to the south and east. Wind flow still more northerly, so still some cool temperatures at the surface being advected into the region. 3 day precipitation totals. A large area, but very light. Some more showery, a couple of hundredths of an inch, but the humidity overall still pretty high during this short term 1 to 3 day period. So we go further down the road. That high pressure ridge over the Pacific starts to influence our weather slowly. It moves onshore across northern California. Western Nevada will be the first to warm up to normal conditions, if not slightly above normal. You can see under that high, the dispersion a little bit, not quite as ideal in the yellow to somewhat red. Then the high kind of really builds in across the area on Friday. Then Saturday, another front coming through, another cutoff low. And then by Sunday, that uh, system actually forms a pretty good trough of low pressure and lots of clouds and showers, especially during the afternoon hours, starting to pop up ahead of this strong cold front across Nevada, parts of Utah, and Idaho. Excellent overall dispersion during that time. We'll have increasing southwest winds in southern areas. Any cured areas down south will start seeing increasing winds, something to watch as we go late into the weekend. Precipitation Thursday through Saturday, not much. Saturday, Sunday into early Monday, just some spotty stuff for now, but this could be intensifying a little bit. This is the 7 day overall total. And the 8 to 14, the outlook shows cooler than normal temperatures for the northern half of the geographic area, near normal to the south. So, still no big prolonged heat wave for us as we start getting into the fourth week of May. Uh, Precipitation somewhat above average, where you see areas in the green here. This encompasses about 2/3 of the geographic area. So, should be a slow start to fire season and maybe prolonged burning windows for our burners. This concludes our briefing. Have a great day.